A broken redeem button in Mistplay usually means the app can't verify your reward balance, your account status, or the reward provider you selected. By the end of this, you'll know what causes it, what to check first, and how to get your rewards working again. The first thing to check is your available units. Open Mistplay and go to your wallet. Mistplay only unlocks rewards when your available units match the redemption requirement for that gift card or payout option. If your balance looks lower than expected, your last game session may not have synced yet. Close the app fully and reopen it. That forces the wallet to refresh. Next, check your internet. The redeem page connects to Mistplay's reward system in real time. If your Wi-Fi is weak or your mobile data is unstable, the button may tap but do nothing. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try again. Now update the app. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Mistplay. Install any available update. Older versions can break wallet pages or fail during redemption because of back-end changes. If it still doesn't work, clear cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This clears temporary wallet and reward files without deleting your account. If the redeem button still stays frozen, try another reward option. If you're redeeming through PayPal or a gift card provider, that specific option may be temporarily unavailable. Switching to another available reward can tell you if the problem is provider specific. Another thing to check is account review. Mistplay can temporarily restrict redemptions if it detects duplicate accounts, VPN use, or unusual activity. If your balance is there but the button won't work, this could be the reason. Turn off any VPN and sign back in. If nothing changes, contact support. Go to Profile, then Support, and send screenshots of your wallet, reward option, and the broken redeem screen. That gives support enough information to review the issue faster. So the fastest fixes are simple. Check your balance, refresh the app, update it, and test another reward method. Start with your wallet balance first, because redemption locks usually start there. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.